Today I've got a morning Qigong routine for you. Let's get started. We'll start by turning from our hips and our waist, allowing our hands to gently knock across our body, and we're taking deep breaths at the same time. Allowing our spine to loosen up. Breathing into any tension that we feel. And then we can start looking to the back of the room, increasing our range of motion, going a bit deeper. And then we slowly unravel, coming to the center. And then we'll do a bit of stretching. We'll bring our hands out, fingers pointing up, and one head comes towards the shoulder, taking deep breaths. You should feel a nice stretch along your neck. Again, breathing into any tension that you feel in that area. And then we can slowly move our head to the back and the front. Massaging any tightness in that area. Releasing and letting go. Remember to take deep breaths. And then we'll come through the center to the other side again, first leaning our head over to the other shoulder. Enjoying that deep stretch in the neck, shoulders, breathing into any tightness in that area. Letting go, releasing. And then moving our head to the back and the front. Again, massaging any tightness in that area. Remember to take deep breaths. And then we'll come back to the center, we'll release our arms, just shaking it out a little bit. Making sure we let go of anything. And just notice how you feel. The next move that we'll do is for centering and protection. So we'll bring our hands in front of us, crossing, coming up, out and down. Breathing in as the hands come up and breathing out as they float back down. We'll do a few more. And one last one. Releasing our hands. And to finish off, we'll do bamboo in the wind, bringing our feet together. One hand on top of the other, putting our hands on our belly. And breathe in, allowing your belly to expand into your hands. And breathing out, allowing your belly to move back towards the spine. Take a few breaths like that. And then you can relax into your legs and your feet, and you can allow your body to sway like bamboo in the wind. Just very gently, allowing your body to move. And we'll take one last deep breath, breathing in, breathing out, releasing our hands. I hope you enjoyed this short morning Qigong practice. Please let me know in the comments below how this made you feel. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to share with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Bye.